Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the weirdest and most mind-boggling facts you've probably never heard of. From bizarre science to peculiar animals. Get ready to have your mind blown. Let's jump right in. Did you know that artificial banana flavoring doesn't actually taste like modern bananas? That's because it was based on the flavor of the Gros Michel banana, a variety that was nearly wiped out by a fungus in the 1950s. Lobsters don't die of old age. They just keep growing, and theoretically, they could live forever if they weren't eaten or affected by disease. Octopuses have not one, not two, but three hearts. Two pump blood to the gills, and one pumps it to the rest of the body. And here's the kicker. The heart that pumps to the body actually stops beating when they swim. Here's a spooky one. The human body actually glows in the dark. The light is invisible to the naked eye, but under certain conditions, humans emit a faint glow called bioluminescence. Wombats, those cute little Australian marsupials, have cube-shaped poop. Scientists believe this helps keep their droppings from rolling away, marking their territory effectively. The Eiffel Tower in Paris can shrink by up to 6 inches during cold weather because iron contracts in the cold. Sea otters hold hands when they sleep so they don't drift away from each other. How's that for relationship goals? Sloths are surprisingly great breath holders. They can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes, longer than dolphins. Cleopatra, the famous Egyptian queen, lived closer in time to the moon landing in 1969 than to the construction of the Great Pyramids. Cows form strong bonds with other cows and even have best friends. When separated, they show signs of stress and anxiety. In the 18th century, Europeans believed tomatoes were poisonous because their acidic juice would leach lead from pewter plates, leading to death by poisoning. Sharks have been swimming in our oceans for about 400 million years. That's 50 million years before trees existed. The lining of your stomach is constantly replaced to prevent it from digesting itself. Every 3 to 4 days, you get a brand new one. In a whimsical twist, the national animal of Scotland is the unicorn, chosen for its association with purity and strength. Butterflies use their feet to taste plants and food. Imagine doing your grocery shopping like that. Despite the name, peanuts are not actually nuts. They're legumes more closely related to beans and lentils. Charles Osborne holds the record for the longest bout of hiccups, 68 years straight. He started in 1922 and finally stopped in 1990. Astronauts who have been on the moon reported that lunar dust smells like spent gunpowder. Those scientists are still debating why. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which breaks down proteins. That's why your mouth sometimes tingles when you eat it, because it's digesting you as you're eating it. What looks like a flamingo's knees are actually its ankles. Their real knees are higher up and hidden by their feathers. Chewing gum after meals can help you concentrate and improve memory. So, it's not just a fresh breath tool, it's brain food. The number of stars in the universe is estimated to outnumber all the grains of sand on Earth's beaches. Let that sink in. Some species of snails can hibernate for up to 3 years if conditions aren't right. Talk about a long nap. Before modern technology, miners used canaries to detect toxic gases. If the bird stopped singing or died, it was time to get out of the mine fast. The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish can revert its cells back to a younger state, effectively allowing it to age in reverse. It's often dubbed the immortal jellyfish for this reason. And there you have it, 25 of the weirdest facts that will make you see the world just a little bit differently. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing content, and share it with your fellow trivia lovers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.